Okay, our next question here says, find the rate of change of the volume V of a sphere with respect to its radius r when x is equal to 1. Option A, 4 pi, B, 8 pi, C, 12 pi, and D, 24 pi. So solution. Okay, now from this question you can see that we are asked to find the volume of a sphere. So theoretically, mathematically, the volume of a sphere, so volume of a sphere Vx is equals to 4 over 3 pi r cube. Okay, so we have to differentiate. We're going to say find the rate of change of the volume with respect to r. So dv over dr is equals to what? It's going to be 3 times 4 over 3 times pi r 3 minus 1. That gives us 3 into 4 over 3 pi r square. 3 cancels 3 here, so we have that therefore dv over dr is equals to 4 pi r square. Okay, now this is what we have, and going further they told us that when x is 1 we should find, when x is 1, so find it when x is 1, okay, or when r is equal to 1. Okay, take note please, there's a correction here. It's not when x is 1, it's when r is 1. So here when r is equals to 1, we have that dv over dr is equals to 4 pi times 1 square. That gives us 4 pi. So this is our answer, which is from here we have it to be A. Okay, so this is the solution to this problem. Okay, stay on to the next class as we bring you more questions. You can book for more questions, you can send your questions. So here we are here to give you answers to your WAEC and JAM questions. Whatever questions you do not know how to solve, we are here for you. We'll take you through every of our questions. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Okay, next question we have to solve is the slope of the tangent to the curve is y is equals to 3x squared minus 5x plus 5 at the point 1 and 6 is dash. So solution to this problem is given thus. So solution. Now you need to understand that the graph is given is a graph of y is equals to 3x squared minus 2x plus 5. Okay, so we need to find the slope. The slope talks about the derivative of y with respect to x. So that is dy over dx is equals to, if we differentiate 3x squared, we have 6x. If we differentiate minus 2x, we have minus 2. Okay, so this happens to be the slope m, which is our slope, is also equals to dy over dx, because dy over dx refers to slope, and then that is equals to 6x minus 2. Now, but they gave us the boundary condition, so we're looking for the slope this at the of the tangent at the point where we have this. So the points are given as the point 1 and 6 means that now x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 6. Okay, so from here we see that since we have x, we're going to substitute x here to be 1, so we are not having that our slope m is our slope is equals to 6 and bracket x is 1 minus 2. So this gives us that therefore our m is equals to 6 minus 2 is 4. So our answer is 4, being option A. So this is the solution to this question. More videos coming out from Daniel Maths Academy. This is Daniel Maths Academy. You can follow us on YouTube. Search for us on YouTube, Daniel Maths Academy. Okay, so you can see more of our videos posted every week. The question here is if the y over the x is equals to 2x minus 3 and y is equals to 3, when x is equals to 0, find y in terms of y. Solution. So we are given that the y over the x is equals to 2x minus 3, and from here we are going to make subject formula. So if I make the y subject formula, I'll have that dy is equals to 2x minus 3 dx. Okay, now having this, to find y, I'm going to integrate both sides. So integrating both sides, we have that integral of dy is equals to integral of 2x minus 3 all dx. Okay, so that will end up having that y is equals to the integral of 2x minus 3 dx. Okay, so this is what we'll have. So if I go ahead to integrate this, what do I have? So I'll have that y is equal to integral of 2x becomes 2x 1 plus 1 over 2 over 1 plus 1 being 2, then minus 3 becomes 3x. Okay, so this gives me that this will cancel this. I have x squared minus 3x plus c. So this is my integral of this. Now, but it said when x is equals to 0, find y. So when x is, so my y is equals to here is 0 square minus 3 times 0 plus c. Therefore my y is equals to, okay, so sorry, my y was given here to be 3, so here is 3. So therefore my c, which is what I'm looking for now, is equals to 3. So using that to write in the whole equation, I have therefore that my y is equals to, back to the equation, I have x squared minus 3x plus 3. So this happens to be my answer. That is option. So this happens to be the integral. I'm sorry we didn't give the options, but this is the solution. Okay, quickly let's go on to solve the next question that we have here. And this next question tells us that find the derivative of y equals to sine square bracket 5x with respect to x. Okay, here we have solutions to this one. Sorry, I didn't give you the options to the other one. So solution, this is what we have. So I have that y is equals to sine square 5x. Okay, so I'm going to say let u is equals to 5x. So that's what I have, and if my u, I'm going to substitute here with u. If u equals to 5x, then therefore the main equation I have now is now that I have sine square u. Okay, so I have this to be this first. Let me call this equation a, let me call this equation b. Is that okay? So from equation a, the u over the, I'm going to differentiate that with respect to u. That's going to give me 5, and then from equation b, which is y is equals to sine square u. Okay, so I'm going to differentiate this. So the y over, I'm going to differentiate y with respect to u. Y over the u is equals to if you differentiate sine square u, you have 2 sine u cos u. So this happens to be the derivative of this. Okay, so applying function of a function, that states that the y over the x is equals to the u over the x times the y over the u. Okay, so this is what I have here. and owing to that, I'm going to replace everything here. So what's my du dx? 5 times what's my dy du? 2 sine u cos u. Okay, now but the question was dealing with x, so not with u. So but I said from the beginning that u is equals to 5x. I'm going to substitute wherever I see u, I find 5, I put 5x. So this is going to give me, first of all, this time this is 10. This is 10 sine u cos u. Okay, so substituting that, I have that this my dy over dx is equals to 10 sine 5x cos 5x. So this happens to be the answer to this question. Okay, so this is my decision. So the correct option there is 10 sine 5x cos 5x. So the correct answer is A. Okay, so this is it. We are here to give you solutions to every question that you do not know how to solve. Daniel Maths Academy once again brings this tutorial.